In this video, we are going to be making adorable business cards with Creative Fabrica and Canva and creating a unique QR code. I thought it would be fun to design some business cards today. So I am starting in my Canva account. I'm going to be using Canva today. I'm going to be using Linktree today, and I am going to be using Creative Fabrica today. So let's get started in our Canva. So what I did here is I went to apps and then I searched QR code generator. So there are quite a few of them here, but I think I will just, I don't know, they're probably all good. So I'm just going to use this one. Um, let's see, using a new design. So I'll just do a custom size here and I will do 2 inch by 2 inch. 2 by 2 because then I can add it to my design, create new design. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my link tree and I'm going to get my my URL for my link tree because that has everything that I like to share with people in one place. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to enter my URL here, Control V, and I'm going to generate a code. So now I'm going to stretch this out, make it the full 2 by 2 here. And I'm going to call this my cup overflows QR code. And I'm going to download that. So I'm going to go to share here. And I am going to go to download and I'm going to leave it as a PNG and I'm going to put a transparent background in because I have a Canva Pro account here and I'm going to download my QR code. So now I am going to go into Canva and I have some designs that I already use. If you watch any of my other videos or anything, you'll probably see this image. This is one that I really like to use for branding. So what I did is I copied this. You just go here and hit copy and it makes a new copy here. So let's go to this one because this one's a little bit different. So I am going to duplicate the page. So I'm going to go down here and now I'm going to upload that QR code from my downloads here, right here. And so I'm going to bring this in and I am going to, oh, I see it did not make it uh, with a clear background, with a transparent background, but that is just fine. I'm gonna move this down and I'll put my QR code here and I'll probably add my name as well. Make this a little bit bigger, go over, and I will probably add a text box here and add my name, Cindy Myers, and I'll make that bigger so that you can see it. And again, we can always change the font, but it brought in the font that I used in some of the other designs that I have. So I'll put this in here. And I think that is enough in there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this page 3, and then I will show you what we're going to do with it. So I am going to just download page 3 and download this one. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Creative Fabrica account and I searched up business card and I found this Canva template. So I thought this would be really good. So you just download it and business card. Yep. So let's go in here, open this, and here you can see it says business card template, Acrobat Adobe document. So I'm going to click on this and then it comes in, and for you to use this template, you just follow the instructions and it says click here. So that's what we're doing. And now when I scroll down, you can see it says view template. So you sign up for a free Canva account or your Canva Pro so that when you view this template, it will take you right to your editing software in Canva. So now I clicked on that. Now you see here that it's got 10 business card slots here. So now I'm going to go and I am going to upload that design that I just made right here. So I'm going to bring that in because that one has my QR code on it. And I'm just going to take this And I'm going to hover over and see how that drops that right into the space. You just hover over and drop, hover over and drop, hover over and drop, hover over and drop, hover over and drop. And we just continue this for 10 times here. And we get them all into these frames. Those are called frames. So now you can see, I'll zoom in and you can see that I have 10 business cards ready to go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit share and download. And I am going to download these. Yep, I'll download them as a PNG. And I don't need transparent background, so I'm just going to download these, maybe raise up my DPI a little bit. You don't have to. If you have the regular Canva, you won't be able to raise your DPI. So then I'm just going to hit download here, and we'll wait for this file to come up, and then we'll look at it here. It's almost done. All right, so here, let's look at our file. And there it is. Isn't that great? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a Word document here. Yeah. So I am going to go into my layout options here, and I'm going to keep my margins at 0. I'm going to leave this at 8.5 by 11, and orientation, I'm going to leave it at portrait. So I'm going to go to insert here and insert picture from this device, and go to my downloads here, right here. And there is our business cards. Isn't that amazing? So now I can just go and print these. So file and print, and I am going to select my Epson EcoTank 2400. That's my color printer. I have so many printers in here, but that is the one that I use for my regular color printing. And so I'm going to be go under printer properties here, because I am going to be using premium presentation paper mat. I'm going to be using some really good cardstock for these, and I'm going to my quality I'm going to put as high. And then under more options, I'm going to turn bidirectional off, because I want these to print crisp and clear. So I'm going to hit OK, and I am going to go and get these printed. Now the test to see if our QR code worked. So here we go. And absolutely perfect. Took me right to my Linktree, and that is exactly what I wanted. These business cards turned out so great. I just cut them out with my regular paper cutter, and they are amazing. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.